What is the difference between an adhesion and a scar? My name is Erin, founder of the Mastectomy Guide, here with another choice tidbit as we're doing our countdown to our Science of Scar Tissue course for massage therapists happening in Vancouver, September 22nd, 23rd. Now, a scar is a reparative tissue that has formed where there has been a breach, and it has neural involvement, it has blood vessels, it has lymphatic vessels. All of these things have been interrupted, and so there's collagen and extracellular matrix that are coming in to create this substance that will then repair the tissue and hold it together. An adhesion, by contrast, is an area which has gotten stuck together. It's not necessarily scar tissue, but it's not moving very well. It's as if someone took a glue gun and just went chuk, chuk, chuk along the areas, and now there's these areas which are stuck. They're not sliding and gliding, and their neural and vascular capacity has also been interrupted. For these and other choice tidbits, check back in tomorrow. I will have more. If you want to learn more about our upcoming Science of Scar Tissue course, where we would love to have you, please visit mastectomyguide.com, and also you can register there. See you tomorrow. This is Erin signing off for now.